How to localize on-screen texts in training videos with AI? From this to this in minutes? Training videos often contain important text inside the video frame. Slides, instructions, how-to steps, and more. Most AI video tools can translate the audio and subtitles, but not the on-screen text. Fixing it manually is slow, messy, and hard to scale. In this video, you'll see how to translate on-screen text in a training video with Vozo Visual Translate without the source file. Upload your video or paste a link into Vozo Visual Translate. Choose a target language, then click. Vozo detects text across slides, diagrams, charts, and annotations. Then it translates and rebuilds the text directly inside the video. Same layout, same timing. And the style is preserved. After the automatic translation is generated, you can review everything and make adjustments. For example, change the font, size, position, and even the animations. Need to change the wording? Just edit the translated text. Here's a useful tip. If some text was missed, click Translate Missed Text. Select the text area, click Confirm, and let Vozo recognize it. Once it's recognized, click Regenerate Video. And if something should not be translated, like a logo, brand name, or slogan, click Revert to Original. Then regenerate the video to apply the change. When everything looks right, export and download your localized video. Vozo translates embedded visual context in minutes, while still giving you control. Thousands of teams already use it for training videos, tutorials, onboarding, compliance content, and more. Vozo translates embedded visual context in minutes, while still giving you control.